Welcome to Smartphone Made Easy. Have you ever found yourself in the situation below?
Take me to the Erdington station now.
Sorry, I've never been there. I don't know the way.
Just check Google Maps.
In this video, I will show you step by step how to use Google Maps for public transport. I will also share some useful tips and common mistakes that many people are not aware of. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app. Once the app opens, you will see a blue dot showing your current location. This is where Google Maps thinks you are. If you can't see the blue dot, you will need to turn on location services. Tap the top right corner of the screen and watch this video before continuing. Step 2. Tap the search box. Type the name or address of your destination. Mary wants me to take her to Erdington Station. So, let's search for Erdington Station. When you see the correct result, tap it. Now tap the Directions button. Google Maps will automatically use your current location at the starting point. Step 3. Choose public transport. By default, Google Maps may show driving directions. To change this, tap the public transport icon. Google Maps will now display different public transport routes. Each route shows useful information, such as the total travel time, the number of transfers, and how far you need to walk. You can choose the route that is best for you. Step 4. Understand the route. Let's take a closer look at one of the suggested routes. At the top, we will see the departure time and the estimated arrival time. For example, it may say you will leave at 3:3 and arrive at 3:19. Below that, Google Maps tell you exactly which bus or train to take. Here is another example. If you need to change buses or trains, Google Maps will clearly show where to get off and what to take next. If part of your journey requires walking, Google Maps will show how many minutes you need to walk and where to go. Some train stations also display the platform number, although this depends on the transport operator. We will also see how many stops you travel before getting off. For example, it might say 4 stops. This makes it much easier, especially you are visiting somewhere for the first time. Step 5. Start navigation. If you are ready to travel, tap Start. Google Maps will begin turn-by-turn navigation. It will guide you as you walk to the bus stop or train station. Follow the blue dotted line. Tap here for live view and directions. Always pay attention to your surroundings while walking. Tap the X icon to go back to the map. When you are on the bus or train, the app follows your journey in real time. As you get close to your stop, Google Maps will remind you that it's almost time to get off. If you need to change buses or trains, it will also remind you where to make the transfer. Useful tips. I'll share 3 useful tips that many people don't know about. Number 1. Do you know you can change the departure time? Instead of leaving now, tap the departure time options. You can enter your preferred departure time. This is useful if you have an appointment or need to arrive by a certain time. Number 2. Whenever possible, check the departure time before leaving home. In many cities, Google Maps shows live departure information. You may even see messages such as on time or delayed. This helps you avoid waiting too long at the station. Number 3. Don't always choose the first route. Sometimes another route is only a few minutes longer, but requires fewer changes. Or it may involve much less walking. Take a few seconds to compare the options before you start your journey. Common mistakes. The first one is getting on the correct bus number, but traveling in wrong direction. Always check the destination shown on the front of the bus before boarding. The second mistake is not paying attention to transfers. Some journeys require you to change buses or trains. And sometimes you need to walk a few minutes between stations. If you're not sure about any of the steps, come back and watch this video again anytime. If you found this video useful, hit subscribe to the channel for more easy smartphone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.